Welcome to this channel IBMI classes. Today in this video we will be going to discuss the order by clause in DB2. Actually in our previous video we have already discussed about order by clause, but we have only discussed about sorting sorting the results by one column or multiple column. But in this video we will be going to discuss on how we can sort or how we can use the order by clause to sort result by expression result set. So we are not using columns in actual columns in the order by clause to sort it by columns. Basically we are using the expressions on those columns, and then we will be sorting the result set returned by the SQL statements. So we have seen that we have already a table, or if we have not, so then select a star from students. So we have this table, the students, where we have id 1 2 3 6 5 9 8, and then name, and then age, then percentage, and then status. So we can use order by here to sort the result set. Based on, suppose I want to sort the result set based on the length of the name string. So I'll be using the function length here and then name. I can see that I have no difference in the result as per the previous one. So suppose if I am only writing star from the students, and I'll be getting the same result. So it is not actually sorting based on the length of the strings, because we have used here only length, and name is of 25 length. So we'll be, and the value is of shorter than the 25 length. So we'll be using trim here, and this trim, then name. We'll be trimming the name and then counting the length. So by default it will be sort the result set based on the length of that name in the ascending order. So we can see the desired result here. The result has been sorted based on the name length of the names. So the maximum length has got the last position. So same thing, we can use ASC here. ASC here. Sorry, this is a select. So I typed ASC here, select, sure, same results. So if we will be using the ESC, the result will be in descending order right now. So we got our result actually. Now again, suppose I just want to just remove this clause, the results are again back to the original one. Now I just want to order by based on the ID and name concatenation. So what I'll do, order by name and concat ID. So Ajay, Aman, Amar, Amit, Ankur, Vijay, Vishal is in the order right now. So we can use ASC here, the same results. Now if you use DESC, so again the same results. That is, they are in descending order. And when we have used ASC here, so we have the ascending order. The name concatenating name and order, name and ID. So this is basically the thing that we can sort the column, sort the result by based on some expression. That expression may be based on some columns. Okay, so we can use order by clause to sort result by expression results. So this is all about in this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the latest videos coming to or uploaded into this channel. So thank you and have a nice time.